Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to change video size or video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to this camera icon. Let's tap on it. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the video size. We've got only two different options from which we can choose: the FHD, which is currently applied, and HD. So simply tap on the option, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos with chosen resolution or the size. Of course, it's up to you which option you want to use, but I highly recommend to use this one as it is the best possible in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.